This one actually has a Buddha in there. So this looks more like a Buddhist temple. Oh yeah, okay, famous Buddhist master. Okay. 688 to 750 something. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're in Yangshuo watching a boat go down this river right here. And you got some beautiful view. Trying to capture it as good as I can with this camera. This camera's better for walking around. Has good functions for that. Amazing functions. So we're just gonna kind of walk around some of these trails. Check out some of this city, this mountain. Here comes the boat. Yangshuo shipping company. And it's empty. And I saw another one just come by a little while ago. It was also almost empty too. I think there's another one right there and a little fleet of them. This one must be coming back, I guess. Okay, kind of cool though. Okay, so we kind of just keep getting the cooler and cooler stuff. And actually this walk is kind of known because it has a bunch of poetry and like history kind of stuff. And they have kind of these beautiful gates. I think that's, I don't know what it is exactly without being able to read it. I think it's like poetry. I think I read something that they put a lot of powerful wording of things. But if you speak Chinese and can read the writing, it's kind of cool too, these little things. Okay. Gotta make sure my phone, this camera doesn't get too hot. I think we're gonna keep going up this way. Oh no, we can't, there's a gate right there. They did tell me that it was closed. That's too bad. This is a floodlight to keep everything looking kind of cool. Yeah, they said the path was cut off today under repair. All right. Kind of quiet up here, so you're kind of getting a feel for everything anyways. Kind of cool guy standing up on his boat in the river. So all we can really do right now is walk back. So I wanted to go up the mountain actually, but as soon as I went to the gate, they said that it was closed. So that was impossible, and then we just saw the gate too. So we're kind of just gonna settle for this. And this is actually kind of cool anyways, so we'll go back into the city soon. Before we do, I guess there's another temple over here too. Okay, you can go. I think that was the one that's closed, I think. Okay, it's kind of cool. Just the ladder. So yeah, that's what I was hoping to go up. But anyways, this is basically like, I'm kind of like the same as like these little mountains here. You know, like that mountain or that mountain. I'm basically like on one of these right there. It's on the sides of it. This one actually has a Buddha in there. So this looks more like a Buddhist temple. Oh yeah, okay, famous Buddhist master. Okay. 688 to 750 something. So, okay. Pretty cool. Rock garden stuff. Wow, look at this beautiful painting right there. Here it is from this angle. I'm a sweaty mess. It's August and I'm sweating. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty cool city though. So I can see why it's so hyped up and why it's so such a popular.
Chiquinha